Stuck in a rut of dinner and a movie? Time to mix things up. Welcome to Vibrant Vigil, your go-to source for sparking joy in your everyday life. Today, we're shaking up date night with some healthy alternatives. Hit the subscribe button and let's dive into some unique, healthy date night ideas. Idea number 1. Enroll in a cooking class together. Imagine the aroma of fresh basil, the sizzle of the sauté pan, and the laughter filling the kitchen as you both learn to master a new recipe. Cooking together is not just about the meal, it's about the journey. It's about exploring new cuisines, fumbling over unfamiliar techniques, and yes, occasionally flipping a pancake that lands on your partner's head. Not only does taking a cooking class together provide a fun, interactive experience, but it also offers a chance to develop new skills. You'll learn how to create healthier meals, which can lead to better eating habits in the long run. Plus, it's quality time spent together, away from the distractions of everyday life. So don your aprons, arm yourselves with spatulas, and prepare for a culinary adventure. Not only will you two learn to cook something new, but you'll also have a blast doing it. Idea number 2, get active outdoors. Let's face it, there's nothing like fresh air to invigorate the senses and revitalize the spirit. And what better way to enjoy the great outdoors than by engaging in some hearty activities with your significant other? Consider going for a hike to enjoy the scenic beauty while getting a good cardio workout. Or how about biking? It's a fantastic way to explore the countryside and burn calories at the same time. And if you're both water lovers, kayaking could be your thing. Paddling in tandem is a great way to build teamwork, and let's be honest, it's a whole lot of fun. But remember, it's not a race. Just make sure you don't leave your partner behind while kayaking. These activities not only promote physical health but also allow you to bond and create memories together. So go ahead, step outside and embrace the adventure. Who says exercise can't be romantic? Idea number 3, dance the night away. Now, isn't that just music to your ears? Imagine being able to sway and twirl to the rhythm of your favorite tunes alongside your favorite person. Learning to dance together is not only a fun-filled adventure but also a delightful way to grow closer. Picture this. A lively salsa tune begins to play. You both stumble and fumble at first, stepping on each other's toes. But hey, isn't that just part of the fun? You laugh it off, hold each other a little closer, and try again. Before you know it, you're matching steps and sharing a bond that only the dance floor can create. Beyond the fun and the bonding, there's an added bonus. Dancing is a fantastic form of exercise. It's heart-pumping, calorie-burning, and body-toning, all wrapped up in a package of pure joy. With dancing, you'll both be having so much fun, you won't even realize you're working out. Alright, let's recap these healthy date night ideas. We've covered some fantastic options for couples looking to spice up their time together while prioritizing their health and wellness. First up, we explored the idea of taking a cooking class together. This is not just an opportunity to learn a new skill, but it also lets you create a delicious, nutritious meal together. It combines fun, bonding, and the health benefits of home-cooked food. Plus, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor at the end of the class, which is always a bonus. Next, we delved into the world of outdoor activities. Whether it's hiking, cycling, or even a simple walk in the park, these activities offer an excellent way to stay active, enjoy nature, and spend quality time together. The fresh air, the endorphins from the exercise, and the shared experience can truly invigorate your relationship. Lastly, we looked at dance lessons as a date night idea. Dancing is a brilliant way to get your heart rate up, learn a new skill, and have a ton of fun. It's all about moving your body, expressing yourself, and most importantly, enjoying each other's company. Each of these ideas offers a unique combination of fun, bonding, and health benefits. So why not give them a try? Share your experiences and let us know which one was your favorite. Remember, the key to a healthy date night is to have fun while staying active. Now go out there and make some memories. And don't forget to subscribe for more ideas like this.